Struggling to keep track of all your company's devices? What if you could manage them all from one simple cloud-based platform? Today we're diving into Microsoft Intune, the powerful tool that's transforming how businesses manage devices. Microsoft Intune is a cloud-based unified endpoint management solution designed to secure, manage, and monitor all your devices, whether they're company-owned or bring your own device. With Intune, IT teams can deploy policies, manage apps, and ensure compliance from a single web-based console. It supports a wide range of platforms, including Windows, iOS, macOS, and Android. Imagine the ease of automatically enrolling new devices, enforcing security with multi-factor authentication, and even remotely locking or wiping a device if it's lost or stolen. This means you get streamlined IT operations and enhanced security without the hassle of traditional on-premises management tools. Picture your business running smoothly because all your devices are secure, compliant, and updated automatically. Microsoft Intune integrates seamlessly with Microsoft 365 and Azure Active Directory, or Entra ID, giving you unified identity management and a zero-trust security framework. This not only reduces downtime, but also boosts your team productivity. Everyone can work safely from anywhere. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, Intune's intuitive interface and robust features give you the confidence to manage everything from smartphones to desktops without breaking a sweat. It's all about making your IT operations simpler, safer, and more efficient. Ready to take your IT management to the next level? Dive deeper into the world of Microsoft Intune with our comprehensive guides, expert tips, and exclusive premium content completely free over at cloudpersistence.com. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Join our community of IT professionals and let Cloud Persistence be your trusted partner in mastering Microsoft Intune and other cutting-edge cloud technologies. Thanks for watching. Remember, managing your devices doesn't have to be a headache. With Microsoft Intune and Cloud Persistence, you're always one step ahead. See you in the next video. Bye.